what you gotta do is you squeeze. Here, I'll give you this. Now I want you to put it on top of the volcano and squeeze it. Okay?
Yes.
Hold it up here where Daddy's holding it. Put it over top of the volcano and squeeze. Whoa! We need some more.
I need to move.
Some more acid.
Let's get it. I can't wait to begin the volcano.
Does it look like a volcano?
Not yet. It has to go all the way. Does it have to go everywhere?
Yeah.
It's fizzing. Look at it. It's erupting.
Hey, you want to dump some more?
Sure.
Make it erupt some more? Whoa! Look at that.
Right on top.
There you go. Here's some more. There you go. There you go. Now, go put it on. Whoa! Oops, didn't have any.
Squeeze the top. There you go.
Hey, let's dump some. Ready? Whoa. Whoa, big volcano. It's erupting.
It's erupting.
Whoa.
Whoa. Look at all of it.
Wow.
Wow. I want to play. It's making bubbles.